What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a close look at something that has been generating a lot of buzz online, the 2027 Toyota Majesty. This is being talked about as Toyota's most luxurious and most aggressive minivan concept to date, and honestly, after seeing these images, I completely understand why people are excited. Let's start with the front end, because this is where the Majesty really makes a statement. That grille is unlike anything Toyota has put on a minivan before. Sharp diamond mesh patterns wrapped in a full-width illuminated light bar that stretches from headlight to headlight. The way it glows red and blue gives the whole front fascia a futuristic, almost concept car energy. Moving to the rear, Toyota continues that same confident design language. The taillights are a thin, connected strip that mirrors the front light bar, giving the Majesty a cohesive look from every angle. Underneath, there is a sculpted diffuser with quad-style exhaust accents, which is honestly surprising for a minivan, but it adds a real sense of presence when you see it parked in the driveway. Now step inside, and this is where the Majesty truly separates itself from anything else in its class. The dashboard is dominated by a massive curved display setup, essentially 3 screens blended into one sweeping panel, covering the driver instrument cluster, the central navigation screen, and a dedicated passenger side display. It is wrapped in rich two-tone leather, deep burgundy paired with a soft cream, giving the cabin a genuinely upscale feel. As for performance, industry chatter suggests the Majesty will likely be built on Toyota's hybrid platform, potentially offering both a standard hybrid and a plug-in hybrid option, delivering strong fuel efficiency without sacrificing power for highway driving and family road trips. When it comes to pricing, expect the Majesty to sit well above the standard Sienna lineup, with predictions ranging from around $60,000 for base trims. As for release timing, if this concept moves forward, a late 2026 reveal with a 2027 model year launch seems like the most realistic timeline.